Hello, today I'm going to explain about sprint demo. So when do you have the sprint demo? Say for example, the sprint was for 2 weeks. So on the last day of the sprint, we'll be having a sprint demo where all the team members of that sprint of that particular agile team would be there, and sometimes the BA would be demonstrating that user stories which we have completed, or sometimes the QA or the product managers would be showing up the user stories to the product owner. So during the sprint demo, whichever completed user stories is there, we'll be demonstrating that to the product owner who's the owner of that product, and then they would be signing off that product. So say if the product owner says, okay, this is what I've intended, and then the user story matches with my requirement, and then it is good to go, then the user story would be closed for that particular sprint. And say for example, if the product owner is not happy, then he would say, this is not what I thought it would look like, that I need some changes. So maybe we'll be closing that user story and then creating a new user story, because already the efforts is consumed for that particular user story. Sometimes we'll create a new user story for the next sprint, so that the new suggestions of the product owner is captured in the new user story, and then we would be continue to work on that user story in the next sprint. Sometimes this user story part 1 and then the part 2 will be created, and then that will be carried forward to the next sprint. So during the sprint demo sessions, whichever completed stories we have for that particular sprint, that will be demonstrated to the product owner, and the sign off from the product owner is received, and the particular user story would be closed for that particular sprint. So that is what happens during the sprint demo. Thank you.